Hi, Frankie. Um, so fun to find an ode to Daenerys Stormborn in this week's poems. Um, just such a pleasure to find something so unique and different than what other people are doing. So thank you for that. Let me look at your questions. Does the poem work as a refrain? Yes, I do think it works as a refrain. I know that it's modeled on a song, and it does come across as very song-like, as if the refrain is a chorus. So if that is your intention, then that is working well. If that is not your intention, then you may want to play around with the form a little bit. Um, and then when you talk about the parallels you draw, do I think they're too forced? I don't. I am someone who has watched all of Game of Thrones, rewatched a few of my favorite episodes, but I am by no way, a a deep and dedicated fan to the max. I haven't done any additional reading about it, but it was a show I really enjoyed. I watched the whole thing. And I did some thinking about it. So that's where I'm coming from in terms of my reference here. Um, but I thought it worked really well. I thought it was really fun to hear Marine and Drogon and I did have to look up worm, the YWRM. I didn't know that was a type of dragon, so I had to look that up. But I thought the rest of it was just so well done. The only thing I question is your use of exclamation points. So it seems a little bit excessive to me. A lot of times, what I try to encourage my students to do is to make sure that your language is emphasizing the line rather than relying so heavily on exclamation points. So I wonder what it would feel like to take those out or to use them more sparingly. That would be my major suggestion here. But thank you so much. I look forward to seeing where you go with this one. Thanks, Frankie.